Hi everyone, welcome back to my first BRD experience, the document that almost embarrassed me. Okay, so my after my first elicitation meeting, I took notes, right? So I had a set of notes that actually made sense. People were waiting for my document, a BRD, the official one, the one developers, testers, and managers will rely on. It was my first BRD ever. I felt the pressure in my chest. One wrong line, my fear was actually one wrong line, and the whole team could build the wrong product. Okay, so meeting minute ready, team waiting, first BRD ever. I felt pressure. So my biggest mistake. So I made a classic beginner mistake. I tried to rewrite everything I heard. Every sentence, every comment, every assumption. Imagine what is the result. So a BRD was longer than a movie script, but no one could actually understand. Developers looked confused, testers were lost, and my manager said, "This is good effort, but this is not so usable." It really hurt. But it taught me the most valuable lesson about documentation. So my biggest mistake, I wrote everything, too much detail, confusing structure. Nobody understood. Okay. What is BRD really is? A BRD is not a transcript. It is not a memory dump. It's not a collection of everything people say. A BRD tells four things clearly. What problem are we solving? What is in scope? What are the requirements? What does success look like? When I understood this, everything becomes simpler. Okay. So the first one is what is the problem? Scope, requirements, requirements, acceptance. Okay. So I rewrote everything. I took a deep breath and started over. That's time I wrote like I was explaining to a 10-year-old. Simple language, short sentence, clear structure, nothing fancy, just clarity, and suddenly the document made sense. Okay, so you can take this note simply. We can say simplified language. It's very important. Short sentences. Short sentences. Clear sections and easy to read. Okay. So the team's reaction. Can you imagine? When I, when I shared the revised BRD, the reaction surprised me. I was really happy, actually. So a developer said, "Finally, now I know what to build." A tester said, "Thank you, this is clear." My manager smiled and said, "This is a real BRD." My confidence doubled that day, not because I was perfect, but because I corrected myself. Developers happy, I was happy too. Testers relieved, manager impressed, confidence boosted. What is the BABOK lesson? The BABOK Chapter 3 suddenly made sense. Documentation isn't about showing intelligence, it is about showing clarity. Write only what people need, remove the noise, structure everything. A clear BRD saves hundreds of hours of confusion later. So this is the lesson learned. Focuses on clarity, requirements only, avoid noise, and structure saves time. Okay. Your takeaway from my mistakes. If you are rewriting your first BRD, remember this. Don't overwrite. Don't copy your notes word for word. Rewrite for clarity. Keep it simple. Your BRD should guide the team, not overwhelm them. Okay. So this should be avoided. Don't overwrite. Don't copy notes. Rewrite for clarity and keep it simple. Next video, I'll tell you about a real conflict. The moment two stakeholder two stakeholders disagreed on the requirements and I had to step in as the mediator. It was the first time I felt like a true business analyst. Okay, so what is coming up? Stakeholder conflict, disagreement on requirements, how I handled tension. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.